got another. Oh yeah. Got another one. Fighting, whatever it is. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Dude, that's nice, dude. Nice, man. So wake up this morning was pretty tough, to say the least. 5 inch or 5 fish, 12 inch minimum. All right. Yeah, waking up was pretty terrible. But then once I was up, I think I was still buzzed. I don't really know how it worked, but I felt pretty good. And then we got a Red Bull in me. Then my mom called, and apparently our cat is missing, which is not a good sign because our cat never goes. So that was pretty bad turn for the morning. Now we're out here, about to fish the Derby. About to win some money. We got 27 boats, and we are number 27. Nice.
And both of us have not fished here in a couple months, so we're going blind.
Yeah, we have absolutely zero pre-fishing, zero experience. So that should be pretty interesting. We'll make it work.
We got a few spots that we're gonna hit.
Yeah.
We'll do some things.
I don't even have the GoPro on rad, but I'll strap it up here soon. We'll make it work. And yeah, we'll get with you guys when we're catching fish. Massive, like 6 or 7 pounder swimming around here right when they were supposed to be spawning, and I thought he was spawning, but he wasn't. He was just swimming around. I didn't get to catch him. Would have been pretty sick though.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh. That's pretty sweet. Red Bull. Yeah, I was like, damn, Coop. Dude, I wonder if they're just nipping at it. Throw your drop shot in there, man. I should have set the hook. I was trying to reel up all my slack. Wonder how big he was. I got another one. Oh, man. Dink City, man. Whoop. Well, that's unfortunate. Is he gonna keep? No. Ah, he might. It's gonna be a bad day if we have to keep him, but he might be the first.
He touches barely.
Oh.
Like he's
Nah, that mouth needs to be closed. Yeah, see. Squeaker. Absolute squeaker. All right, well, we're on the dink pattern. We just need to upgrade him a little bit. Little guy, in the net. He'll dude, he's short. He is short. Dink pattern! Are you allowed to pinch the tail? No.
You're allowed to move the tail.
No, he's not even 12. Oh my gosh. Another small fish, man. He might keep though. Wow, that's some water clarity right there, man. Oh. He'll keep. Yeah. Come on, first keeper of the day. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm saying that about this fish. Anna, Lak Anna's right. All day long. Spot's pretty sticky. Excuse me, sir. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this one. Whoa, my line is probably in the way. You fish, man. What?
You have something on your arm.
No, it's not fighting, whatever it is. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Dude, that's what the heck?
Dude, I told you, dude. I told you.
Oh my god!
Christ, man. Do you have that on tape? Oh my gosh, dude. That is wild. I'm so glad I grabbed that line, man.
Oh my god, dude. How did we even set the hook in him?
I felt him and I was like, oh my gosh, you have a fish.
Oh my gosh. That is absolutely crazy. Not believe that just happened.
Wow, dude. Oh my goodness.
That's the craziest thing. Dude.
You're like, what? No, I don't. And then you grab it. You're like,
I was like,
it's not fighting.
yeah, I was like, it's not fighting.
Oh.
Dude, that. I got another. Oh, yeah. Come up here if you can. Actually. Oh, wow. Wow, another good fish, man. Another good fish.
Heck yeah.
Is that a coal or is that our fifth?
No, that's our
Nice. Feels good, man.
All right, get back out there. Catch another one.
Yeah, these. I feel like these have got to be striper the way they're stacked up. They're not really stacked up like bass, to be honest. But there's bass mixed in. Come on. You're good, you're good, you're good.
He's coming up.
Ooh. Oh. Little guy.
He's still cold.
He's still cold. He's
probably our third biggest.
Yeah. Oh. Where is it? Nice, dude. Nice, man.
Let's go.
Wow, we needed that. I needed that.
Yeah, you were.
I'm down and out, dude.
Yeah. Oh, what a hook set. That was not.
Dude, that was crazy.
Yeah, it was just we had to find the rock. I was not feeling the rock.
Dude, I don't think my towed back in time, and they were just, and then Xander's just not gonna get to weigh his fish too. I would do that. I mean, no matter what, that's our only choice. We can get there and you can be like, look, this is what happened, we didn't have a bag. Yeah, I would start putting the clips on those fish. And then after you guys weigh in and everything, Xander's just gonna have to shoot back out here and tow me. Yeah, don't worry about it. They'll be fine on the short run. All right. Dude, I have oil. Let's go. So on top of everything else that happened today, came back and somebody smashed off my tail light. Luckily they were nice enough to leave a note, so I'm gonna be getting in contact with him. It's not gonna be expensive, but it's just one more thing on top of everything else. Alright guys, as you can see, the engine is not in the best shape right now. It's got oil everywhere, and I ended up replacing, or my dad helped me replace all the seals in the lower unit. So the lower unit's back in business, so hopefully we don't have any more issues with that, but I don't think that's going to take care of the no oil alarm that we got at the end of the day of fishing, which is a real bummer. But as you guys can see, I mean, everything is just coated with oil in here, and so I'm not sure if it's a crankshaft seal in the top or if one of these hoses is leaking, but it's definitely an issue because it's pretty soaked in oil. So I've got it scheduled to go to the mechanic tomorrow, or not tomorrow, Monday, and at the mechanic, hopefully they're going to be able to figure some things out. I like to do a lot of work on my boat if I can, but when it comes to engines, I know a little bit, but not enough to be able to really dig into that thing. So for the time being, I'm going to let somebody else take care of it, and then hopefully it's not too big of an issue. You're probably going to see this video 2 weeks after the tournament. So in the meantime, I've already fished on Lak Anna once, and then Cooper's fished another tournament, and we might fish another one this Sunday. So be on the lookout. We're going to be trying to fish this Anna series a lot this winter, and really teach you guys a lot and have a good time. So stay on the lookout for that, and until next time guys, hopefully I see you back with a working motor and boat.